Hey crafters, welcome back to my video. So today I have something fun for you. I'm actually at work and we are going to be redoing a few floral arrangements. So last year I made these and also this one, and I was leaning into fall colors with like a bit of a blue hue, light orange. I don't know, would you call this like an adult fall or autumn or something? Well, anyway, this year I really want to punch up like those fall colors, orange, red. So let me show you those flowers that I bought to update these arrangements. So this is my local Joann Fabrics, and that is the fall floral section. These are the flowers I'm considering. Oh, got distracted. Look at those mushrooms. They're super cute, but I have really no purpose for those. And then I found some brown ones, of course. Super cute. Mushrooms are very trendy. And so yeah, this is my cart with the flowers. I'm pretty sure I'm buying at this point. And I did not end up getting the brown leaves. I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna use the green ones I already have in the arrangement. And here I was looking for some more garland, but Joann Fabrics garland is usually kind of cheap, which you can see here. It's just like so plasticky looking. So I decided to go to Hobby Lobby for garland instead. And I think I made a good choice because I ended up finding something I like a lot better. And then I was looking for some like cream colored hydrangeas. I thought, hydrangea? I thought that would really like beef up the arrangement beautifully, but all they had was those stark white ones. And then I thought that cream colored mum was just a little too big. Okay, I hopped over to Home Goods. They usually have some pretty good like greenery. And I saw that cute ghost, which is like so sparkly. It doesn't even do justice on the video. It was like rainbow sparkles in real life. It was really pretty. Okay, so first off we have cream, which is just standard. I have this lovely like filler. It's kind of like a brown. They're these really pretty burgundy cabbage roses. And I have these orange cabbage roses, which I already have a few, so that's good. And then lastly is these. This is like a cluster set of just some really beautiful colors. And we're going to update those arrangements, kind of change out some of the flowers, and whatever I end up not using, then I can return. So that's a benefit. And one more little tip I have. So I like to use these like wooden bases for a lot of different arrangements, and it's easiest to just make like a foam base basically that's a little smaller than your vase if you have a wide base or box in this case, and you can just easily change it out. So I could put in like a Christmas arrangement or an Easter arrangement, whatever, and very easy to use this multiple times during the year if you do that. So let's get started, and I'm gonna flip the camera around, so it should be a fun video. So this is just a floral stick, and this is floral tape, and you can see I've already floral taped this before. And this is just to make this a little longer so we can use it again. There we go. And then we're going to do this one also. And the last thing we gotta show you is the arrangement, which is here. Let me turn the camera around. I mean, that turned out so cute. Okay, I hope you guys had fun today. I hope you learned something or just enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.